Hello everyone, Peter J here, Creative Director at RX Smart Coffee. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase the RX Smart Coffee token. RX Smart Coffee is one of the first companies to structure themselves on the blockchain. The RX Smart Coffee token will not only serve utility for all of our platforms and channels of distributions of RX Smart Coffee's patented herbal infused coffee blends, but this token essentially rides on the metrical and analytical performance of RX Smart Coffee, the company, instead of a stock. Many people believe that this coin will become extremely valuable since it is backed by a real company with a rare and unique product line and a company matrix that allows anyone to join and begin to leverage these awesome products to create a revenue stream for themselves and their loved ones. It seems like the token is just a cherry on top. The first step is to create an account on Coinbase.com. Coinbase.com is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can exchange your fiat currency or your US dollar into Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin. You can also sell those coins back for USD. After you've created your account, connect a payment method. Do this by clicking the Buy Sell tab and following the instructions on Coinbase. Coinbase will deposit two amounts into your bank account. Verify these amounts by entering the cent value in Coinbase. For instance, if Coinbase deposited $1.50 into your bank account, you will enter 50 cents. Enter those two values, then you'll be ready to exchange your fiat. We recommend using Litecoin to purchase RX Smart Coffee coin, as the transaction fees are far cheaper than that of the other coins for now. And Waves requires that you send in a minimum of 1,000th of a Litecoin, or 0.001 Litecoin. Determine how much you want to buy and click Buy instantly. You can see this transaction on your dashboard. To send this cryptocurrency to Waves, we will head to the Accounts tab. Click Send. And now we will get the address from Waves. If you haven't yet, create an account on waveswallet.io. The most important thing is to make sure you write down your wallet seed phrase in its entirety. The only way to recover your wallet is with this seed. Read this message and write down your seed. You don't have to name your account if you don't want to. Then click Register. Anytime you want to move cryptocurrency, you do this via wallet addresses. It's kind of like sending an email. Whether you're sending from person to person, wallet to exchange, exchange back to wallet, or even to cryptocurrency ATMs, it's always via wallet addresses, which is an alphanumerical credential like this one, oftentimes accompanied by a QR code. To send the Litecoin that you purchased on Coinbase to Waves, click Deposit in the Litecoin box. This is your Litecoin address. You'll notice that you must send a minimum of 0.001 Litecoin. Although it's moving decimal places, at this point I want to introduce CoinMarketCap. Visit coinmarketcap.com to see all of the market capitalizations for cryptocurrency. There are many useful tools on CoinMarketCap. We're going to use the cryptocurrency converter calculator found under Tools. Switch Bitcoin to Litecoin and enter 0.001 to see what the value is in USD. The minimum amount of Litecoin that you can send to Waves at this point in time is approximately 25 cents. Copy your Litecoin address and paste it into the wallet address recipient box on Coinbase. To send the maximum amount, put your cursor in the amount box and click Send Max. Note the fee in Litecoin. Click Continue, and then to confirm the send, type in the SMS code sent to your cell phone. Click Confirm, and then your Litecoin is on the way. The first thing we have to do is acquire some Waves token. In order to transact on the Waves platform, you will need 0.001 or zero point 0.003 Waves token for the network fee, depending on the type of transaction. What we are going to do is convert all of our Litecoin into Waves token and then purchase the RX Smart Coffee token with Waves token. That way, when we make the exchange, the fee is deducted automatically from the entire balance of Waves token that you are exchanging. Head to Waves Decentralized Exchange. Change Bitcoin to Litecoin. These are the most recent buy orders for Litecoin. These are the most recent sell orders for Litecoin. You're going to sell to the most recent buyer. Click the most recent buy order to autofill the sell box. Then, change the amount of Litecoin that you are selling by clicking this value in gray. Then click Sell. When your order shows at close, you will have successfully exchanged your Litecoin for Waves. The final step in acquiring the RX Smart Coffee token. Change the market from Waves to Litecoin to Waves to RX Smart Coffee token. We know that the RX Smart Coffee token last sold at $1.06, so at this price, we have the best chance of getting our order filled. To determine what $1.06 is in Waves, head to the cryptocurrency converter calculator. Switch USD to the left side. Type in Waves on the right side. Type in $1.06 in the value box. And then copy and paste that value into the price in Waves box. To determine the amount you can buy, click the amount of Waves that you have next to Buy RX Smart Coffee in gray. Please note that you can only buy whole numbers. Delete the decimals. Click Buy, and you will have successfully placed an RX Smart Coffee token order. When your order has been filled, you will see your tokens in your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and make sure you visit shoprxsmartcoffee.com to learn more about the incredible opportunity.